Scrape Google search results under 1 minute. Step 1. Download Tikflow RPA for free. Step 2. Build your own app. Step 3. Run the app. Enter the position and country in the dialog box that appears. Then Tikflow automatically helps you scrape job listings on job boards. You can continue to change job titles and countries. You can also change different recruitment websites to scrape. This video demonstrates scraping 3 websites. You can also set up more sites to scrape. Step 4. Fetch result. You can output the results to Excel or Google Sheets. Get Tikflow RPA and try it out.